In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on your DocuSign account. This is especially useful if you've recently moved to a different region, or if you're collaborating with teams across different areas, making sure all your documents are synchronized within the correct local time. Let's dive in and walk you through the steps to ensure your account reflects the accurate time zone setting. First, you'll want to locate your profile icon, which is conveniently located at the top right corner of your DocuSign dashboard. This is where you'll initiate most personal account adjustments, including the one with our current interest. Once you click on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and tap on My Preferences. This section is your gateway to a variety of personalized settings that DocuSign offers. Upon entering My Preferences, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find an assortment of options to customize your account settings. Look for the Regional Settings tab and click on it. This is where you can fine-tune choices related to time and date formats, languages, and, importantly, your time zone. Within the Regional Settings section, locate the option labeled Specify a Time Zone. This choice is key to ensuring your documents are time-stamped correctly according to your specific location. Click on this option, and a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select your desired time zone from a comprehensive list. Carefully scroll through the list and choose the time zone that matches your current region or the one you wish to adjust to. Once you've made your selection, it's crucial not to skip the final step, which is to save your new settings. At the top right corner, you'll notice a Save button. Simply click it to confirm and update your time zone preferences. And just like that, you've successfully changed your time zone setting in DocuSign. Remember, keeping your time zone accurate helps prevent confusion and ensures all electronic document transactions reflect the correct timing, which is critical for both personal and professional documentation. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments, but it can significantly enhance your productivity and coordination with others who interact with your DocuSign account. If you frequently travel or have colleagues in different regions, revisiting this setting from time to time may also be worth considering. Thank you for tuning into this video. We hope this guide makes your experience with DocuSign a little bit smoother. Be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides to optimize your digital workflow. Have a great day ahead and happy signing.